In this video, we will show you how to install the TheLAShop silicone pole. No ladder needed, perfect for beginners or seasoned pros. Before we begin installing your silicone pole, let's go over all the parts you got. And additionally, there is need. First, identify your ceiling type. Popcorn and stucco ceilings need extra care, but we've got you covered.
Second, check what flooring types are best for good portable professional grade dancing pole with quality rubber on the base and dome.
Our dancing pole features thick gripping silicone on both the dome and base, enhancing stability and protecting your floor and ceiling. Let's dive in. The hidden central nut prevents damage even when horizontal. Choosing the installation location. Measure the floor to ceiling height, and check the diagram to see if you need extension pole A, B, both, or neither. In the next steps, we'll show how to install both poles, including the 19.6-inch extension. Loosen the black rod slightly as shown. Do not extend it beyond 7 inches. Use the pole cover as a guide. Use the Allen key to loosen the upper 2 screw nuts from the connecting pole. Align the holes of the connecting pole and bottom pole. Secure the connecting pole with screw nuts. Then secure the screw nut of the other side. Then this one with the internal thread is the decorative pole. Screw it into the bottom pole. The one marked with a Y is the bottom base. Now, let one of the lower screw nuts align with the Y letter on the bottom base. Then fasten the 2 screw nuts. Install the extension pole and upper pole on the top dome in order from short to long. Use the iron rods to further secure the connection of each extension pole. Install the 2 extension poles and upper pole in sequence. Lay the 2 sections of the pole horizontally on the ground and tighten them firmly. Lift the entire pole and loosen the pole cover to expose the black rod. Rotate the bottom pole upward, but don't over-tighten it. Adjust the height using the black rod until the pole feels secure against the ceiling. Use a level to check if the pole is vertical and fine-tune as needed. Once vertical, tighten the iron ring on the black rod to lock it in place. These steps are crucial to ensure the bottom pole and iron ring cannot move upward. Finally, reattach the pole cover and shake the pole vigorously to test its stability. To set the pole to static mode, tighten the screw nuts and ensure one aligns with the Y mark on the base. For spinning mode, simply loosen both nuts slightly. No need to remove them completely. That's it. Full pole install done. Questions? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and share for more. See you next time.